Hello everyone, it's Brandon Leon, your Sacramento area realtor. So excited to share our newest listing with you at 19 Rock Hill Court. 4-bedroom, 3-bath in Sacramento, close to everything. How about a pool? Let's check it out. It all starts with an extended driveway. You can't fit 1, 2, or 3. You can actually fit 4 cars here. Doesn't get much better than that. Let's go check out the courtyard. So this courtyard is so peaceful and so quiet, this would be the perfect space to enjoy coffee in the morning. I can't wait for you to see the inside. Let's check it out. So as we step in here, we have these vaulted ceilings, great room concept. They have almost taken this house down to the studs. Not only was the exterior painted, the interior is painted, the floors were redone, the kitchen, which we'll check out in a minute, was fully redone. They opened up some walls, but look at all this space in here. It gets even better. They have a full bar here to entertain. This kitchen is stellar. Let's check it out. Who wouldn't love a custom bar area in their house? Not only do you have space to make some drinks, but you also have tons of counter space and storage. So when it comes to entertaining, you have all the space you need to enjoy fun with your family and friends. So let's go to the kitchen. Not only do they have new cabinetry, but they also have quartz countertops, an island that they put in, stainless steel appliances. But this is so open that you can have multiple people in the kitchen and not feel cramped. Right off of the kitchen is this beautiful family room space. I envision families hanging out here during Christmas or Thanksgiving, spending some time around the fire. You also have full access or a full view to the outside as well. So all the windows were replaced recently. When I say recently, in the past 5 years, they've all been replaced. But as we come out to the pool, let me show you, they resurfaced the pool as well. So some of you that, if you don't know pools, they have the gunite construction, right? The actual surface on the pool. They'll have gunite, they'll have quartzite, and then they'll have PebbleTech. So quartzite is what this pool was resurfaced with. Very high quality stuff. As you can see, there's a slide. You have extra storage there as well. So this backyard is perfect for any family that wants to entertain. 4-bedroom, 3 full bath in Sacramento, with a pool, move-in ready. Doesn't get much better. Have your friends reach out to me if they're interested for a personal tour. My name is Brandon Leon, your friend in real estate, and I'll see you soon.